Greetings and salutations, fellow coin collectors of the 50p variety. What we have in front of us is the Isle of Man TT coin from 1997. Gives a little bit of information there about the coin, and if we look down a bit, the 1997, it had a die mark AA, and there are 31 variations of this die mark known to exist. And as part of my 50p collection, I've decided I'm going to collect as many of these as I can. So there's a little bit more info, and of course in 1997, when they went from the large coins to the small coins, they struck a lot of these 50p pieces, same as they did for the UK, same as they did for Gibraltar, Jersey, Guernsey, and everywhere else it uses 50p's. Just on a sub note, the Dolphins 50p from 1997, the Gibraltar one, that has quite a few variations on the die mark, but that's another video for another day. So if we have a little look there, we'll see that there's no less than 31 different AA die marks, and other die marks may exist, and they've even left a couple of blank spaces in the book should a couple more turn up. So I'm currently working my way through these, and I decided that I would just basically order the cheap ones off eBay and see what came through the post, and when I had a sufficient amount, then I would have a little look through and I would see how I was doing. Worth noting as well that I've been able to get one of these deeper trays now that we've put some of the coins in the capsules, and this particularly nasty red tray, which I had slightly damaged, that can be put to the side and scrapped. That can go in the recycling bin hopefully. So what have we got today? Well, just a couple of these coins that arrived, and if we have a little look at these, first thing to notice is they're in really nice condition, especially with the one on the right hand side. And if we zoom in a little bit, we'll be able to see the die mark on that one. We will not go into these in too much detail, this is just a quick video. And if we go over to the other one, we can have a look at that as well, and we can have a little look. And straight away, between the two coins, if I place one on top of each other, we can see that the bottom one, there's a great big whacking space between the two A's. So these two coins, they're definitely different die marks, so that's a result as far as I'm concerned. Happy about that. And if we zoom out again and we zoom over to the tray, before doing this video I did have a look at the tray, and I compared each of these coins to the ones that are in the tray, and there's no doubles. In fact, all these coins are different, which is really good. There's a nice example there, and we've got 3 spaces left in the end, so these two will pop into their new space. We'll pop him in there. Just look at the shine coming off that coin in the light, and we'll pop this one in here. So there we go. Really good. That's 7 different varieties of the 1997 AA 50p that we have already. So that's it for now. If you haven't read about these coins, look them up. The TT series of coins from the Isle of Man is an absolutely fantastic set of coins to get into. There's so many different die variations, so many different years. It's a minefield. So I look forward to filling this tray up. As time goes on, it will become harder and harder to get these coins without getting doubles, but that's all part of the fun. Any of the doubles we do get can easily be put back on eBay and resold. Just while I'm looking at these as well, it's worth zooming in. We can have a look at that, so you can see the right hand A is small, squashed, a little bit deformed. You can't really see the tail on it. Whereas the one beside it, you've got more space beside it, but the left hand A is missing its right hand tail, and same with the right hand A, it's also missing its right hand tail. The next one, the right hand A is missing its right hand tail, and the tail comes over as well. So there's differences between every single one of these coins so far, which is really good. It means I haven't done a double yet as such, so to speak. But what I might do is take one of the shiny ones out and put it in the other tray in the capsule, because I keep going back to that coin. It seems to be in really good condition. So that's it for now anyway. I'm starting to ramble a bit there, but peace and love. Coin Snatcher out.